You know what is this? This is a rags. I have to clean my machine there because a little bit like a buffalo tabin, but that is a grass. Yeah. I will put that in the hotel lobby stock room. It's good that I am allowed to put that in the lobby of the hotel. So I have to clean it first. I use a rags. This one down there is a river. I believe it's clean water because it's continue to flow. I'm not trying to pollute the river. It's just nobody want to give me water to clean my. Up there is Roman Catholic Church. Religious hypocrite people. Okay, yeah. Okay now. I'll do it now. And I only wearing socks because it's I just want my foot rest from I don't know how many hours from actually at least 5, 6 up to 5, I think 6 a.m. to 5 a.m. from this. So see that? Yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm happy doing this. I thank God that He always helped me. Now it's wet. I'm off tomorrow. I told my boss not because Sunday. I told them every 7th day I off. I only work 6 days. That's really hard work. Like 8 days work. So 7th day non-negotiable. Last time I already told him, and then he still asked me work. He's not listening to his own, even his own or word. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to. I don't know. But that's me. I'm going to church tomorrow. Probably 11. English church. There in Tali. Baptist church. Today I blame him harshly because he said, I already went, that this machine show me how to put the nylon there. I say I'm listening, but I didn't pay attention because in my mind I'm busy doing work and I'm not interested with your machine. I have my own machine that he doesn't pay yet. You say, I teach you yesterday. I show you. You show me. Yeah, I saw it. You show me, but I didn't really check the details. So don't blame me. So I blame him hard. He complained to me. I say, I won't blame you if you didn't blame me illogically, unbiblically, and irrationally. See, it's very wet. You know, if this towel clean and the water drinkable, I can ah. But who knows if their toilet there doesn't go into river. Okay, already a bit. So I have to wash the rug. Oh, sticker. I can wash. I think I need to pile up. I might forgot. Go down there. It seems fresh water. Seems I also want to clean my scooter a bit. Okay. I like this scooter. He always take care of me. He haven't uh, put me into hard position. But even if he do, I'm still thankful to God. It's almost new. The two tire new and the front brake also new. That one is the mechanic. He want to all change. He even offer me new scooter. You think I have money? Whew. Do I look like I have money? come here because have lights. There too dark. It's and also it's cemetery. I'm scared of the dark. We've been to the dark with this scooter, from Ilan to Taichung, pass by that one. From Sansing to connect to Taoyuan there, that road. At night, no lights. I stop in the hub gates. They close. I open it. Oh, so scary that time. If only me, if I only not determined to do the what I need to do at that time, I won't pass by on that. So scary. I never been scared in my life as that. No lights in the road. Completely dark. Only the light is this one. And the birds, I don't know what kind of bird. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then my earphone, I lost the rubber, but I still can find it. You know, even I'm scared, I still try to find it where it is. I don't have flashlight that time. Uh, Download this one to YouTube. I don't know what time I can come home. I work from 5 to I think 5:30 p.m. Well, of course, have rest. I rest when my strength is gone, and then try to go back again work. Cannot work without strength. So very hard. Okay, already. And I forget to bring my own towel. So these rags, I didn't put in my face, only here. My body is wet. Because I have to bring so many things. And last time actually, I only I have another pants, but it's hard to wash. I don't know what kind of bird is that. Maybe owl. After I go to hotel, after I take a shower, I wash first before I take a shower. I wash. And it's good I can hang here there in a dormitory hotel like a coffin. So meaningful. And then your hotel like a coffin, and then you work in cemetery. Oh, I think God will really want to make me wise, because that's what it is. When Moses, when the psalmist says, "Teach us to number our days, that we may apply wisdom into our hearts." Just like calculate your only short time here on earth. Something like that. Teach us to number our days that we may apply wisdom in our hearts. Don't think that you will be here forever on this earth. This earth is our temporary place. We will go to heaven if you have Jesus Christ. Mayo Yesu, then because the guard, watching me, maybe thinking, what am I doing? You know, if you tell me later, correct me here, you guarding a establishment that talk about Jesus and love. So don't be too harsh to me. But he didn't do that. I hope you can understand. Yeah, something like that. So maybe I preach him here now. Much better. Mm. But I'm only wearing socks because I want my foot relaxed. And if you saw my foot nails, the big one, no more already. Because last time I worked hard in the temple, even wet. And I put water in my shoes. It, it hurts. something like that. No, the guard only was waiting for the food panda. I think that's out. After this, I put this one. And last time, actually, when I come to from Ilan, the road is very good, you know. Very, I think it's very fast. It's just too slow, 40, 50, 70. And last time I get ticket here in Taichung because only 50, I 70. So my wife pay it 1,000 NTS. I didn't know where is that exactly, but I think that one is when I go home because I don't have things in Taichung. So when I come here this time, I don't know what day is that. Thursday, I think. Yeah, Thursday morning, 6 a.m. I left Ilan. I use number 5 highway, go to Jiaoxi, down to Xintian, and then Xintian, I don't know where to go to connect to Taoyuan, then Hsinchu, something like that, Miaoli. Oh, the road is good. And yeah, I understand the pastor last time, the tali is too dangerous. It's not really. If I put it properly, not shaking. And last time I put it properly, very easy. And I got a lot of attention every time in the signal light. Seems every eyes on me. Maybe next time I put my sticker here. I'm traveling from Ilan to Taichung. 200 more or less 250 kilometers. 5 to 6 hours. And then they have some big bikes. Your big bikes only short time. You only for ego. Mostly for ego style, speed. Did you? I'm willing even to travel the whole Taiwan, you know. And last time, if I my boss pay me on time last time and didn't mess up with me from Taichung, I will go to Kaohsiung, you know, visit my family there to see them. Then drive scooter back from Kaohsiung to. Some people think crazy, you know. Not crazy. It's just nobody do that in Taiwan. I don't know. But seems I hear some people only walk around Taiwan. Woman. And then I asked him, how did you take a shower? Because he say he sleep in 7-Eleven. Stop 7-Eleven. How about take a shower? Also, someone from South Africa, his wife is Taiwanese. I met them in where? Baptist Church there in Gongguan, Taipei. Taiwan University there. What they do? They say they travel only bicycle, oh? More crazy than me. I don't know these things like I don't know. You don't have this in Taiwan because all you have is money. All you have is air condition. My goodness, like it's strange to them to see this thing because all you have is dry vents, air condition. Remember your money. The more you have responsibility. It's not wrong to have more or less. It's not in there. But also beware. Last time I'm so angry also with my boss. He just told me I'm so greedy. Seems like I want to give him F language, you know. I don't think I'm greedy than I need that money. I don't have money in my ATM account to buy food, buy hotel, pay my hotel. And his reason, you didn't finish. I say I can finish the next day. Then he asked me, you work at that time Sunday. I told you, my Sunday is non-negotiable. He try to control me. So this time I asked him pay 2 days in advance, but I don't know tomorrow because it's 2 days advance. Today is finished. He give me 5,000 because I told them, you know how much I spend every day in Taichung when I were working? 1,000 more or less for my food, for my fuel, what else? And for my hotel. That's what I spend every day when I working. And tomorrow, I will not working, but I will pay the hotel more or less 400, like a coffin style hotel. It's okay as long as there's no SARS, no pandemic. Oh, it feels good, this time when you work hard and then you relax. Ah, this only I can afford. Thanks God for my determination and my body strength to work hard. It's just I didn't finish study, not because I don't want to, but because yeah. But even that, I'll be thankful to God. If I finish study, I don't think I've been in Taiwan. Maybe I'm in Saudi Arabia and stay in Philippines and a lot of kids already. Oh, I feel relaxed now. Maybe the YouTube is already long. I don't have that one. I want to make a video for my trip. So good. Not because last time really terrible. You, I start 2 a.m. in the morning from Sansing. You are in the mountain dark, pass by the cemetery where everyone is asleep. If you get trouble there, you get flat. That's why last time I bring vulcanizing, because that time my tire not really ready a bit, not not how to say that, not thick, the thread. So I bring my vulcanizing and also pump. Maybe next time I can use pump the small one or electric because this one have battery. Maybe I can use one. Don't need say that. We have in the car small one, but I have to find the connection here, the battery. I think I can connect that one in the battery, but don't need. It's in that. As long as you don't travel at the hour where when almost everybody is sleeping already. Oh, so challenging, but I'm so happy that I have that in my resume, in my experience. 24 hours no sleep, back and forth to Ilan. Left Ilan Saturday, I don't know what time. I left 3 a.m. Saturday from Ilan, go to Taichung, arrive Taichung lunchtime, and 9:30 p.m. I go back because I'm very angry. My boss didn't reserve me hotel. He promised me he will pay hotel. He even asked me at that night, he said, you go to the hotel and rest now. Rest where? That's why he reluctant to give me. I said, you give me the number. What's the number of your hotel? I can go there and rest now. I find out he didn't reserve. I'm very angry. So I go back to Ilan. At that time, I'm not angry with God, I'm only angry with him. I said, if I die today on the road, I use the road from Taichung to Puli to, where is that? To Renai, to Tailuga, Taruko, something like that. Then Lisan, then going down to Sansing. I drive there. So I arrived there. How to say that? Uh, Sunday, 10 a.m. Because I lunch time there. I almost fall down the road because I'm sleepy. Ay, ni hao. Yeah. Yung ugay taman diyang wada story. 啊
要录一个故事吗？
啊，
在
我
record 的一个故事。
because 因为我是宜兰人啊，我骑摩托车，有这个啊，
你是宜兰人，
对，来
我是宜
这边
朗人。
，Yeah, you can come here, so we can talk. No need.
你的
Yeah.
工作 finish 了吗？
还没，还有，可是明天我休息。哎，这边礼拜天很多人有来吗？
对啊，对啊。
啊，耶稣，你知道耶稣吗？没有耶稣，我不能去台北。
对啊，耶
我
稣不
们要耶
错。
稣，我也是 Christian。我想耶稣，因为没有耶稣，we going to hell. I don't know how to say hell. Hell in Chinese.
Where are you from?
Filipino. 可是我太太台湾人。我结婚2000。可是现在打不开，工作在中国。
I must go to
Okay,
work.
so sure. I just only here
Okay,
because I clean. I have water there.
we are in
I-
the night.
Check in, get out
They
there.
have no light,
This one will turn off. There, it's okay there. It's okay. That's why I come here because this one yun naga. So yeah. Sis niya po is I think the security guard is curious about me. So I'm making video. My story. Because this time I feel like I want to tell my story. Yeah. I said that night if I die, I will blame my boss. But I will not angry to God. Ay, that's all so far because I still have to put this one here, then go to the hotel. Then a lot of things there have to fix. Put properly which one need to put in the hotel, which one need to stay in the scooter because tomorrow I go to church. That's all. See you tomorrow. God bless you.